Hi, it's Owen from Your PE and we're on lesson 6 of object control. By the end of today's lesson, we should be able to display individual racket control, both balancing and striking. We are also going to be exploring the idea of sending and returning with a partner, and then also applying our sending and returning skills into games. What you will need for today's lesson are a pair of socks to use as a tennis ball, something that you can use as a racket, which could be your favourite book, or it could be something like a frying pan. You're going to need 3 different sized boxes and something that you can use as a tennis net. We use the bench outside. Finally, you will need 4 large baskets that you can use as bonus zones as we start to go into our tennis games. First skill we're going to focus on in our lesson is racket balancing. Balancing your socks on top of your racket, can you travel around? To make the activity harder, you can hold the racket with one hand. For our second skill, we're now going to start tapping our socks up and down on top of our racket. To make the activity easier, we can hold our racket with 2 hands, or to make it harder, we can hold one-handed. And our final individual skill, can we rotate our racket after every strike? How many strikes can we keep the ball up for? And now our first individual skill-based activity is our box serve. Much like our throwing skills earlier in the topic, we've got 3 different size boxes that we're going to underarm serve our socks towards. You can either work with a specific box for your skill level, or like we're doing, you can start at the larger box and work your way down towards the smaller box. If you don't have a box available, you can simply mark a target area using 4 socks to make a target square. And for our next activity, we're going to work with our partner to complete a rally. A rally is a series of strikes to keep the object in the air. Once our socks touch the floor, the rally is over, and the number of strikes we've completed gives us our score. Can we try and beat our score again? To progress the activity further, we've now placed a net in the middle, again working with our partner to complete a rally over our net. We're now going to play our first competitive activity, playing a tennis match against our partner. To start our match, we must complete a 5-shot rally. Once we've hit our 5th shot, it then turns into a 1v1 game. Once the sock hits the floor on your opponent's side, you score a point. And to progress our match further, we now each have 2 baskets on our half of the court that are double point bonus zones to develop accuracy when striking.